reason why I bring them here is because I think it's a very interesting activities in camping.
I've never driven one before, so I'm a bit nervous.
So excited. Oh, I'm gonna love that.
The reason why I bring them here is because I think it's a very interesting activities in camping. And actually I have tried twice, one in Dubai and one in Kuala. And different spots have different environment, different view, and we can see different things and different landscapes. So I haven't been here too, so I'm very excited.
The quad bikes are bigger than I thought they would be. They're big. I've never driven one before, so I'm a bit nervous because I don't want to crash. Yeah, mostly nervous. And I don't know how far we're going to be riding for or for how long. I don't know how to drive a car. I've never driven a motorbike. I might be really bad at it.
So excited. Oh, I'm gonna love that. It's like a quad. I think I never ride it, but I always see it in the beach. People riding like this kind of, so I think I'm gonna be good at that. I'm good at driving. I'm so excited about this one. Wow! Oh, so cute! Little puppy! Hi! Here! Here!
Oh, they like that.
Here!
Like dance to it. Yeah! Here! Hello! Here! Yay! Okay! Hey! How was it?
That was good.
Yeah!
Oh my God!
All the time screaming. Yeah. It wasn't as scary as I thought though.
Right.
Wow.
You were a bit slower.
Well, yeah, but you bumped into me.
Yes, I did. I'm sorry, I was holding the brake as tight as I could.
Actually, that road is very steep.
Yeah.
Yeah,
When
and
we
me
were going
too.
down, I was
Wow,
like,
you see? My hair are red already.
Yeah.
I use so much energy to hold the brake.
It was so fun.
Yeah.
And the deer was so cute.
Actually, we've seen so much things up there.
Mhm.
We're like riding in the woods.
Yeah.
So many trees and skies and the view is perfect.
It was amazing.
Right.
I wanted to stop to see more, but
Yeah.
at the same time I wanted to run.
Right.
But I didn't try, and I
Right.
thought I was gonna love it. But
Mm.
now I tried, and I made sure I love it.
Yeah.
I felt really nervous before. I was really scared. The helmet made me feel a bit better, and then when we started, I was like pressing it and then stopping and pressing and stopping and pressing and stopping. But eventually I got the hang of it, I think, and started to feel more confident. And then on the way back, still a bit nervous because
No.
going downhill.
But I
Right,
saw
right,
you,
right.
I told you, you got it.
Yeah, we got there in the end. So
Yeah,
now
yeah,
after I feel really good, and I want to do it again for sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Shall we go to our next activities?
Okay.
Okay,